Hey guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the Filson Tin Cloth Cruiser jacket, known for its rugged durability and the classic style. We'll take a closer look at the features, specifically designed for outdoor use. The arms and the yoke are reinforced with an extra layer of tin cloth, making the jacket tougher and more resistant to wear. Especially useful for anyone doing heavy lifting or moving through thick brush. This reinforcement helps protect high stress areas from damage. The map pocket on the cruiser jacket is a versatile feature, perfect for holding maps, gloves, hunting gear, or personal items. It adds extra storage without compromising the jacket's tough, rugged design. The jacket has a sturdy snap front closure that's easy to use, even with gloves on. This is perfect for outdoor workers who need to quickly button up when the weather changes. These features make it a great choice for outdoor work in tough conditions, offering the functionality and the durability that people have trusted for years. But before you decide to buy, there are a few things you should consider to say if it's the right fit for you. The cruiser's water resistance is a key feature, but it doesn't last forever. The wax coating that shields you from moisture tends to wear off over time, especially around areas that move a lot, like your elbows and shoulders. You'll need to reapply wax periodically to keep it water resistant. Well, it might seem like extra work. Many people actually enjoy maintaining their gear, and it helps the jacket last even longer. The Filson Tin Cloth Cruiser's roomy design and the lacquer lining make it great for those who need extra space during outdoor activities. The jacket's heavy waxed fabric doesn't stretch much, which can limit your mobility, especially if you are layering up in cold weather. Speaking of cold, this jacket is naturally warm. It's excellent at blocking the wind and keeping out the light rain, but it won't keep you cozy in low temperatures on its own. You'll definitely want to layer up with a wool sweater or some synthetic insulation to stay warm, as the tin cloth material can feel cold against the skin, especially in low temperatures. Ventilation could be better with this one. The thick wax fabric means it's not the most breathable, especially when it's freshly waxed. It can get pretty warm and stuffy if you are working hard or the weather is hot, which might feel a bit uncomfortable. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.